Revolutionizing shopping, TCN Cup Noodle Vending Machine with built-in hot water experience. Touchscreen shopping supports shopping cart function, and you can purchase up to 3 items at a time. Payment methods can be customized. Items are dropped one after another. Get the goods at the pickup port. Tailored UI program for noodle sales excellence. In just 30 seconds, approximately 400 milliliters of hot water are ready for use, making your noodle cravings a reality in record time.